Top 6 Fruits to prevent leg cramps in old age. Imagine drifting into a restful sleep, only to be jolted awake by a sharp, searing pain in your leg. Sound familiar? If you've ever experienced these unexpected nighttime leg cramps, you're not alone. In fact, up to 1/3 of adults over 50 are affected by nocturnal leg cramps. These sudden muscle contractions can strike at any moment, disrupting not just your sleep, but your daily life. But what causes these unwelcome intrusions? While the exact cause isn't always clear, several factors increase the likelihood of experiencing leg cramps, especially as we age, like muscle overuse, prolonged sitting or standing, dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, nerve issues, etc. But did you know that certain fruits can help prevent these painful episodes? Stay tuned as we reveal the top 6 fruits that can keep those cramps at bay and help you maintain an active, healthy lifestyle. But before we start, can I ask for a quick favor? If you're finding this content valuable, please consider supporting our channel by hitting the subscribe button and liking this video. Now let's dive in. Fruit number 1, bananas. Let's start with a fruit that's probably already in your kitchen. Bananas. They're often called nature's energy bar, and for good reason. Bananas are packed with potassium, one of the most important minerals for muscle function. When your body lacks potassium, your muscles become more prone to cramping because potassium helps regulate contractions and prevents involuntary spasms. But here's something you might not know. Bananas are also rich in magnesium and vitamin B6, two nutrients that work together to improve muscle relaxation and nerve function. According to studies published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, magnesium deficiency has been linked to an increased risk of muscle cramps, especially as we age. And the best part? Bananas are one of the most convenient ways to get these essential nutrients into your diet. You can eat them as a quick snack, blend them into smoothies, or even freeze them for a natural, healthy dessert. Plus, they're easy on the stomach, making them a great option before bed, helping to reduce nighttime leg cramps while you sleep. Think of bananas as your muscle's best friend, always there when you need support. And unlike a gym buddy, they don't cancel on you last minute. If you're not a fan of bananas, don't worry. Our next fruit has even more potassium per serving and comes with a delicious, creamy texture. Fruit number 2, avocados. Next up, we have a fruit that's trendy, delicious, and incredibly beneficial for muscle health, avocados. While most people associate avocados with healthy fats, they're also a potassium powerhouse, containing almost twice the amount of potassium as bananas per serving. That's right. If you're looking for a natural way to prevent cramps, avocados are one of the best foods you can eat. Why is potassium so important? It helps balance fluid levels in the body, ensuring that your muscles don't contract uncontrollably. Additionally, avocados are rich in magnesium, which works alongside potassium to promote proper muscle relaxation and prevent tension. In fact, a study from the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that people with higher magnesium intake experienced fewer muscle cramps and spasms. But here's where avocados really shine. They also provide healthy monounsaturated fats, which improve blood circulation and reduce inflammation in the body. Poor circulation is another major cause of leg cramps, especially in older adults, so including avocados in your diet can help ensure that your muscles get the oxygen and nutrients they need. How can you add more avocados to your diet? Spread mashed avocado on whole grain toast. Add slices to salads or sandwiches. Blend into a smoothie for a creamy texture. Or just eat it straight with a spoon and a pinch of salt. Now that we've covered two potassium-rich superstars, let's move on to a fruit that hydrates and replenishes your muscles better than any sports drink. Stay tuned. Fruit number 3, watermelon. Now, let's talk about a fruit that's not just refreshing, but also essential for muscle recovery. Watermelon. If you've ever felt a cramp sneak up on you after a workout or in the middle of the night, dehydration could be the culprit. Watermelon, with its 92% water content, is one of the best fruits for hydrating your muscles and preventing cramps. But here's what makes watermelon even more special. It's rich in L-citrulline, an amino acid that helps reduce muscle soreness and improve blood circulation. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that athletes who drank watermelon juice before exercising had less muscle soreness and better performance. That means this fruit doesn't just prevent cramps, it actually helps your muscles recover faster. And let's not forget about potassium and magnesium, which are both present in watermelon. These minerals work together to maintain proper electrolyte balance, ensuring that your muscles contract and relax smoothly. Best ways to enjoy watermelon is eat fresh slices as a hydrating snack. Blend into a natural post-workout smoothie. Freeze into cubes for a refreshing summer treat. Fruit number 4, berries. If you're looking for a fruit that fights inflammation, improves circulation, and helps with long-term muscle recovery, look no further than berries. Whether it's blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, or blackberries, these tiny fruits are loaded with antioxidants, magnesium, and fiber, all of which play a major role in preventing muscle cramps. One of the biggest reasons older adults experience frequent cramps is oxidative stress, which damages muscle cells over time. Berries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that reduce muscle inflammation and improve blood flow. According to research published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, consuming berries regularly can speed up muscle recovery and reduce cramping episodes. Berries also provide a moderate amount of magnesium, a crucial mineral for muscle relaxation and nerve function. Low magnesium levels are a common cause of restless leg syndrome and nighttime cramps, making berries a perfect bedtime snack to support muscle health while you sleep. How can you easily include berries in your diet? Add them to yogurt or oatmeal for a nutrient-packed breakfast. Blend into smoothies for a natural energy boost. Eat them fresh as a low-calorie anti-cramp snack. Now that we've covered hydration and antioxidants, let's move on to a fruit that's loaded with natural electrolytes and one that Olympic athletes swear by. Stay tuned. Fruit number 5, orange. If you're looking for a fruit that not only prevents leg cramps but also boosts circulation and strengthens muscles, then oranges should be on your daily menu. These bright, juicy fruits are loaded with vitamin C, potassium, and natural electrolytes, making them one of the best choices for muscle function and recovery. One of the main reasons muscle cramps occur is poor circulation. Your muscles need oxygen to function properly, and without good blood flow, they're more likely to seize up. Oranges contain vitamin C, which improves iron absorption, ensuring your muscles get the oxygen they need. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that vitamin C plays a crucial role in preventing muscle fatigue and cramping by supporting red blood cell production. But the benefits don't stop there. Oranges are also packed with potassium and magnesium, two essential minerals that help regulate muscle contractions and prevent cramping. Plus, they contain natural sugars and hydration to replenish lost fluids after exercise or a long day on your feet. Best ways to enjoy oranges? Eat a fresh orange as a midday snack. Drink fresh orange juice, but avoid the store-bought versions with added sugar. Add orange slices to a fruit salad or a smoothie. Did you know that the 1992 Olympic team used oranges as a natural sports drink alternative? Turns out, your morning OJ is more than just a breakfast staple. And fruit number 6, coconut last, but definitely not least, we have coconut, one of the best natural sources of electrolytes. Whether you prefer coconut water or coconut meat, this tropical superfood is packed with potassium, magnesium, sodium, and calcium, all of which are essential for preventing muscle cramps. Coconut water is often referred to as nature's sports drink because it contains the same electrolytes found in popular hydration drinks, but without the added sugars and artificial ingredients. A study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that coconut water hydrates just as effectively as commercial sports drinks, making it a perfect choice for muscle recovery. Beyond hydration, coconut also provides healthy fats, which reduce inflammation and improve muscle flexibility. If you suffer from chronic leg cramps, adding coconut to your diet can help your muscles function more smoothly over time. How to include coconut in your diet? Drink pure coconut water after a workout. Add shredded coconut to yogurt or smoothies. Use coconut oil for cooking to reduce inflammation. Ever feel like you need a vacation? Well, drinking coconut water might not take you to the beach, but it sure does refresh your muscles like a tropical getaway. Your muscles don't have to suffer. Start including these 6 fruits in your diet and say goodbye to those painful cramps. So now, which of these fruits do you already eat? And which one are you adding to your grocery list today? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a health tip